So in Bisaya, if you want to introduce yourself, you will say, ako si, and then your name. For example, I will say, ako si Joanne. Ako si Joanne means, I am Joanne. Here's another example of using the pronoun I or ako in Bisaya. Ako iyang asawa. Ako iyang asawa means, I am his or her spouse. Ako iyang asawa. Ako iyang uyab means, I am his or her boyfriend or girlfriend. Again, ako iyang uyab. Ako iyang uyab means, I am his or her boyfriend or girlfriend. Ako ang inahan. Ako ang inahan means, I am the mother. Ako ang inahan means, I am the mother. Ako ang amahan. Ako ang amahan means, I am the father. Ako ang amahan means, I am the father. Ako ang tag-iya. Ako ang tag-iya means, I am the owner. Ako ang tag-iya means, I am the owner. Ako ang mupalit. Ako ang mupalit means, I am the buyer. Ako ang mupalit. Ako ang mupalit means, I am the buyer. Ako ang mubayad. Ako ang mubayad means, I am the one paying. Ako ang mubayad means, I am the one paying. Now, let's have a short quiz of what we have discussed. I am going to flash pictures and tell you a sentence, and I want you to translate that for me in Bisaya. Ready? Let's get started. I am the father. I am the father. Pause before you answer. The correct answer is, ako ang amahan. Next up, I am the buyer. I am the buyer in Bisaya is letter A. Ako ang mupalit. Ako ang mupalit is, I am the buyer. We have beginner books that are available in Amazon. If you have the chance, please check them out. Hanggang sa sunod.